Restaurant style paneer satay is our today's recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I will be showing you all this veg starter recipe of paneer satay. It's deliciously yummy and tasty recipe. So let's begin. For that we require paneer, cut into rectangles like this, corn flour, salt, maida, peanuts or groundnuts, soy sauce, tomato sauce, Szechuan sauce is optional, vinegar, ginger, garlic, finely chopped, red chili powder, honey and crushed garlic or grated garlic. So first I am going to take a kadhai and add oil to it. For deep frying, till the oil becomes nice and hot, we'll take a bowl and add corn flour to it. 2 tablespoons corn flour and add about half cup of maida. To this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of grated garlic or crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger or crushed ginger, add red chili powder, half teaspoon, salt as per taste, add soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons and give it a good whisk. Now I'll add water to this. We want a thick pouring consistency or semi-thick batter. So add water accordingly. Whisk it nicely, make sure there are no lumps. Perfect. So this is the consistency of the batter required. Now I'm going to add paneer into this. You can see I have cut into long rectangles. I'm using 250 grams of paneer. And we are going to coat the paneer into the batter. And we are going to deep fry the paneer once the oil is nice and hot. So make sure the oil is hot enough and then put the paneer into it. Be very careful. And we are going to deep fry this on high flame. So keep turning and flipping the paneer and we have to deep fry until it becomes nice golden brown in color. So you'll see it's almost done now. So once it's nice golden brown in color, we are going to remove it. So our paneer is ready, deep fried. Perfect. Now here I have taken the skewers and I am going to insert the paneer into it. Like this. You may use toothpick if you want to, or skewers will do it like this. Now we are going to prepare our peanut sauce. For that I have taken 1 tablespoon of groundnuts or peanuts. You dry roast them till they become nice golden brown in color. Once they are nice golden brown, you will see the marks on the skin. We are going to transfer them into a plate, and once they are at the room temperature, we are going to remove the skin like this. And then we are going to transfer these peanuts into the mixer jar. Grind it very coarsely. So just 1 or 2 blades should do it. You will see here perfectly coarse groundnuts are ready. So now I am going to take a pan, heat it properly and add oil to it. 1 teaspoon oil. Once it's nice hot, I am going to add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Saute it for about 1 minute on high flame. And then we are going to add our groundnuts, roasted and coarsely crushed groundnuts. This will add to the flavor of our dish. Cook it for about 2 minutes on medium to high flame and then add soy sauce to this. 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce, and 2 teaspoon of tomato sauce or ketchup, and combine this well and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now here I have taken the remaining corn flour and added water to it. Make the corn flour slurry a little thin. So about 1 cup of water with 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Mix it well, let it cook on medium to high flame. Keep stirring it. You'll see it has thickened nicely. So now at this stage I am going to add red chili powder, half teaspoon, honey, half teaspoon, and add salt to it, very little salt, and mix it well. Let it cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. Keep stirring it and you will see everything has combined properly, and this is the required consistency of the sauce. So at this stage we are going to add our skewers into it. The paneer satay, perfect. Now we are going to turn the paneer, let it get coated properly into the sauce, and we are going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame so that the paneer gets heated properly and it's coated into the sauce. Perfect. So after 3 minutes, switch off the flame and serve it hot with some more sauce on top. Lovely. And serve it immediately. So this is how our tasty delicious starter recipe of paneer satay is ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share, follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time with some more exciting videos. Bye bye.